Welcome back to our channel. On today's tutorial, we are going to learn how to sew an Ankara basket bag with chain handle. First of all, you need our handle. So as you can see it, we are using chain handle, your scissors, and a cutting material of the length of we are using 25 inches. 25 inches here length, and the width is we are using 16 inches here. So I'm going to cut out my 25 by 16. So you can see it here, 25. This is my 25. Also, this is my 16 here. This is my 16. Also cut my 16 inches. After cutting 25 by 16, then you fold it. You fold it 4 into 4 equal parts. This is one, and the other one you fold it this way. You can see it. If you fold it into 4 equal parts. After folding it into 4 equal parts, then from here you mark 3 inches here. From here 3 inches. Then here you mark 2.5, 2.5. You mark here. As you mark, here is what? Here is 3 inches, then here is 2.5. Then this place you make a dot here. Don't forget that this place, this middle, that is the one facing this side, is from there to here is 2.5, while from the down to this upstairs is 3 inches. Then from there, this dot that you made, you follow it and cut it. Then that 3 inches, then you cut it out again. Then you make a cup shape to make it very straight, make it curve from the upside. Use your scissors. That's what it will give you. After giving you this shape, then you bring your gum stick. You should use hard gum stick. You can see it. This is the right part, the shining place. Then you place it there to make the exact cuttings of this material that you cut. So I use my pin to hold it. After putting your office pin around, then I use my hot iron to make sure that it's placed very well. I go around. After ironing it, as you can see, it's already gone. Then I remove my office pin. Remove them. After removing the office pin, then I go around to cut it out. After cutting it all around, as you can see it, place it into two. Then you use your iron again, so that let the bag should balance very well too. After ironing it, then as you can see it's already gummed. Then you place your lining. You can see it. I'm using black, the same size. So this is the right side and this is the part. So this is the right side, then I'll place it here. After placing, then I'll turn it. After turning, then I'm going to sew from here. I'll sew all round. I'll sew here, sew here, sew here, sew here completely. I'll sew here complete. I'll sew here completely.
Are you not going to leave a place where you turn it from?
Yes, that's what I'm leaving. I'm sewing from here to here. I'll leave it. It's 2 sides. After sewing all around, as you can see, I sew it all around here, but I leave a space here. This is a turning space that I left. So I use my scissors to cut my lining, the lining that I placed.
That is, you're cutting off the excess lining.
I'm cutting the excess line.
Okay.
To make it accurate with the fabric and the gum stick. I'll go around. So you can see it now. So I use this opening space, my turning. After turning it, that's what it will give you. You can see it here. So after turning it in this way, then you take this side. You can see. You hold it. Also here. Then use your pin and hold it. You turn this side again. You see? Use this side and bend it. And I use my pin to hold it. Then I'll go and sew here. I'll sew from here to here. I'll also sew from here to here. The reason why this place is not the same as this place is because I use that opening for the turning. That's why. So I'm going to close here and close here. After sewing, you can see it here. I have sewn here. I've also sewn here. Then you turn it. You make your turnings. Make sure that the turning should be accurate. Everywhere should be in place. After turning, then in place of placing my handle, I'll make 2 inches here for the handle. I'll also mark 2 inches, exact place. I'll also turn here to make the marking accurate. So I found a pieces of 7 inches, as you can see, 7 inches, 7 inches too. Then the wide is 2.5, 2.5, and I place it. I use my iron. So after ironing, you can see my handles. So I will sew here and sew here. I also sew here and sew here, because after sewing, I'm going to place this thing into the hole. So I'm dividing into 2. Each one I will divide it into 2, because I'm having four holes. 1, 2 for here, and the other 2 is for the other side here too. So I'm going to sew now. So after sewing both sides, I sew here, I sew here. So I will divide it into 2 equal parts. So into 4 equal parts now. 4. So I will use my handle. I will use it here. This is exact 2 inches there. That's where I will place it here, and I will tack it. I will also use this side to tack it. Then you did the same thing with this other chain at the back. Then you stitch here, this curved line, you stitch here, and the other round side too, you stitch it. So after placing the handle, you can see it here. This is what we have at the end of the day. So please do subscribe, share, and make your comments. Thanks for watching.